In this tutorial, Activate Learning IT Services will demonstrate how to sign up to the Office 365 password reset tool. This can be done anywhere via the web. In order to gain access to this service, a web browser will be required. To reach this service, input portal.office365.com into your web browser. The sign-in box will require an email to identify. Please use your student ID at activatelearning.ac.uk. Once filled, please continue by clicking Next. This will redirect to the Activate Learning page to identify. The sign-in page will now require a password. Once completed, you can now click and select Sign In. This will bring up a notification page with additional information required. To continue, click Next underneath. This is requesting for a phone number to be attached to identify. You will need to confirm which region the number is held before this can be entered. Insert the phone number in the provided field. Once entered, this will give you two of the following options: confirm via text message or confirm via phone call. This will confirm your identity via a verification code and will be received by text message or a digital assistant reading out the code via phone call. Input the verification code into the provided field and select Verify. Please note, for this section, an Activate Learning email address cannot be used. Insert a personal email address and click Send Email. This will send code to confirm verification. Input the verification code into the provided field and select Verify. Once your identity to this account has been verified, you have now finished registering for the Office 365 password reset tool. This can now be utilised if your password requires resetting by selecting Can't Access Account underneath the sign-in page at portal.office365.com.